Hey, what if you could click your mouse 4 times and legally start hijacking other sites and videos for free targeted traffic to any link? Which site would you want to siphon traffic from? Perhaps sites like the New York Times, YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Forbes, the Wall Street Journal? Just imagine how much traffic you could be getting if this was possible. Would that interest you? If you answered yes, then just give me 30 seconds of your time and listen closely to this short video. Here's the reality, my friend. Making money online is not that complex. It boils down to just 2 things: traffic plus something to sell. Once you perfect the 2, you'll have no problem with making money online. You're likely struggling with the traffic part, right? When it comes to making money online, traffic is mandatory. It's the bread and butter of any online business. Expecting to make money online without traffic is like expecting a car to run without gasoline or wanting a plant to grow without water. You need traffic, and lots of it. But here's where most people get it wrong. Ordinary traffic is not going to cut it. You could have millions of hits of traffic, but if nobody is interested in paying for what you're selling, it's pointless. The secret ingredient that you need? Buyer traffic. It's a form of targeted traffic that has a strong desire to buy what you're offering. With that, could you make money online? Well, here's the good news. We figured out a way to generate 100% free buyer traffic and without doing any of the work ourselves. It beats everything else out there by light years. How? We do something called hijacking. In a nutshell, we hijack other people's videos and websites to send free buyer traffic to our offers. And it's completely legal and ethical because we do it in a unique way. It's all possible thanks to Videlify. Videlify allows you to hijack other websites and videos for free buyer traffic to any link of your choice. All it takes is just 4 clicks. Click 1. Choose the video or website you want to hijack. Click 2. Enter the link or video ads you want to display on the video or website. Click 3. Activate Videlify to legally and ethically hijack the site and video. And click 4. Enjoy the traffic. We're making hundreds of dollars a day in profit with traffic generated by Videlify. Yes, it really is that easy. Simply rinse and repeat those steps whenever you want more traffic. Are you getting excited yet? Imagine how much traffic you could be sending to your links. Without a doubt, Videlify is life-changing. Now you might be scratching your head, asking yourself, how does Videlify even work? And that's a great question, because this does sound insane. However, thanks to new breakthroughs in technology, it's possible. With the help of creativity and artificial intelligence, we're able to hijack other sites and videos for free buyer traffic. And because Videlify does the work for you, you can't mess it up. Oh, and it gets even better. See, we've been working on Videlify for several months now, cranking out countless all-nighters and spending thousands of dollars. And with the amount of value at stake here, we could easily charge $97 a month for this service, or over $1,000 yearly. But for the early bird users of Videlify, we're going to do something you will love. You won't pay $97 monthly, not $47 monthly, not $27 monthly. Heck, you won't even pay monthly. Just a one-time price, the same as a cheap t-shirt. However, there is a catch. I'm going to be upfront with you. This discount is a strictly limited-time offer. If you come back later, it might not be around. And if you don't see it, it's already too late. You've missed out for good, and there's unfortunately nothing we can do about it. Don't want to miss out? All you have to do is click the button right now to secure your discount. You have no way to lose with our money-back guarantee. If you pick up Videlify and don't feel like it's worth at least 5 times its price tag, just let us know within 30 days of your purchase, and we'll happily refund you every penny. This is like nothing you've ever seen before, and that's why we're super confident in making this crazy guarantee. There's no way for you to lose here. If you don't like Videlify, you get all your money back and your life goes back to normal. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below right now to get a copy of Videlify.